Hello everybody, today we make eggplant parmigiana. We got a flour and we season with salt and black pepper. Okay. Now we got eggs. We put salt and black pepper. Okay. Now this is a plain breadcrumb, and I use all the time fresh parsley from my garden. It gives a beautiful color, and we give a nice mix. Bottle, because I don't want the eggplant, the stick, and use all over the place like this. One, look how beautiful. And one over here, and we put one over here. Look how nice. Let's put in the oven. Okay. It come out beautiful. And now let's take it out. Okay, now we gotta put a cheese. And we got a pecorino cheese romano. And we put it right on the top, each one. Now let's put it back in. Got the cheese, you gotta melt it really good. And now we wait the mozzarella, everything melted nice on the top. Wow, look how beautiful. Now it's done and let's taste. It's the time of the taste now. Let's see. I want the quarter right and a half. They show to everybody. Beautiful. And now, nice bite. Hello, cincin salute. Really good.
That was a really small bite. You should have put more in your mouth. That was like half of it.
Really good. And everybody, I'll see you next time. Thank you very much, everybody.